This is what happened a few days back. Bitcoin rallied and rose over its expected prediction levels. All those who bought the dip have been having a real good time now. However, this is not where it stops. The largest cryptocurrency is expected to increase even more by the end of this year. Stick till the end of the video to know more about it. Welcome to Moneymaker. Moneymaker is a channel dedicated to helping others become financially independent through cryptocurrency trading and investing. In today's video, we will be looking at every prospective price catalyst for the token and will detect the potential price reach of this token. Whether looking out for this one to be profitable? Also, with the current rally and the market rebounding, will Bitcoin hit $100,000 per token? Make sure to watch this video till the end. Before we move forward with this video, there are certain things we need to know. To begin with, the crypto market is highly volatile and is frequently changing. Therefore, by the time you watch this video, the token prices would have switched to a whole different range, similar to the current bounce. In addition to this, the information shared in this video does not in any manner intend to be taken as a piece of financial or investment advice. The content in this video is curated solely for the purpose of being informative and educational. You are requested to pursue your own diligence or consult an expert in this regard to make better investment decisions. With that being said, let's get into it. In the past few days, the market has been gaining in terms of its investment inflows, which is for the same reason as that of Bitcoin's growth. The majority of the market follows the steps of Bitcoin. Therefore, if we see a dip in Bitcoin's price, the immediate thing we will witness is the drop in almost all altcoins' price action. However, in the past few days, the market has been trading green, which is because of the huge price rally of the largest cryptocurrency in the world. Well, the Bitcoin price rise is something not very new. However, the intensity and the extension of the same is comparatively low because the token is already overflowing with value. On the contrary, the past days of trading have made investors more enthusiastic about Bitcoin and also the entire crypto market. We have witnessed an unprecedented Bitcoin price spike. Bitcoin swung up, surpassing several of its strong resistance on the way. At this point, not paying attention to Bitcoin's price would be your greatest mistake. Why did the price rally? Bitcoin had been experiencing a challenging time till 27th July. Before that, the token was consolidating badly. Many crypto investors and analysts sort of lost hope because the token was down from its crucial support levels at $28,000. Bitcoin price consolidation started after the token received back-to-back attracted its very own Tesla, who accepted Bitcoin as payment, banning the cryptocurrency from serving any further as a payment mode. Post which, the Chinese government, the second largest economy and the largest emerging market in all sectors, rejected Bitcoin mining. Not to mention, China has a lot of scope of development in terms of cryptocurrencies, and any adoption in that market could turn around the entire statistics for the token. After consistently trading in the bear market for weeks, the token finally made a considerable jump straight from $30,000 to $39,850. Considering this extraordinarily high value of Bitcoin, a 12.5% growth in just one go seems impossible and impractical. Well, Bitcoin did prove us wrong, and here we are discussing what happened exactly. This week's gain has put Bitcoin above its 50-day moving average for the first time since 9th May 2021, and the credit for this reverse trend goes to Amazon. Amazon, the dot-com giant, has been planning to step into the world of crypto. Nothing has been confirmed in terms of accepting or adding cryptos to its website of payment. However, certain news and rumors have been spiraling around the web that Amazon appears to be entering the crypto market. The news that spiked up Bitcoin's price was that Amazon intends to accept Bitcoin payments by the end of the year. This started after the dot-com giant posted a job listing that it has been looking for a candidate who can develop its digital currency and blockchain strategy. This candidate is expected to be responsible for the Amazon Payment Acceptance and Experience team, which is again an indirect indication that Amazon intends to enter the market of cryptocurrencies and blockchain. An Amazon spokesperson confirmed it. "We're inspired by the innovation happening in the cryptocurrency space and are exploring what this could look like on Amazon. We believe the future will be built on new technologies that enable modern, fast, and inexpensive payments, and hope to bring that future to Amazon customers as soon as possible." Will Amazon accept Bitcoin? Since nothing of that sort was confirmed by Amazon, the real question is whether Amazon would accept Bitcoin. Bitcoin on these rumors jumped 14% in just 24 hours. While the rumors got pretty serious on this news, Amazon came out and gave a statement denying its acceptance of Bitcoin as a payment mode. The .com revealed that the report said Amazon would accept payments in the cryptocurrency by the end of the year and launch its own digital coin in 2022 is fabricated. The company did acknowledge that it is exploring the exact use of cryptocurrency and how the company will benefit the maximum. Tom Forte, a senior research analyst at Amazon who covers Amazon for the investment bank DA division, opined that Amazon might not accept Bitcoin across its platform anytime soon. He also added that since Bitcoin accounts for less than 1% of the transaction payments on Overstock.com, very few online retailers would be ready to accept Bitcoin transactions. Moreover, Bitcoin hasn't been shown to date to be a form of currency for payment, but certainly it has been an effective mechanism for trading and speculation. How far has this news impacted Bitcoin? As for the technical perspective, Bitcoin seems to have been given a push and a positive one. A day after the token went crazy, Amazon denied that it has any intention of accepting Bitcoin. Well, the real question now is whether this denial has affected Bitcoin. We don't see much change in Bitcoin's price. To have gained and moved this far was itself unimaginable. Therefore, the current consolidation is not entirely an impact of the denial, but a normal repercussion of such a steep rise. On the bright side, we believe this was needed for Bitcoin and for the crypto market as a whole. Since Bitcoin rose to this extent, it indicates that the bulkiest crypto has decent volatility, meaning that we are likely to see another bull run for the token in a matter of just a few days. What does the technicality say? Whale Alert, a blockchain tracker, has spotted nearly 50 consecutive transactions of Bitcoin, each over the mark of 465,000 Bitcoin. The platform has seen around 44 successive Bitcoin transfers, and each transfer carried with them coins worth 9,000 to 9,900 Bitcoins on average. The token has been moving in another mixed momentum for the broader crypto market. At this point, the token is expected to fall back a little because this fall is healthy. However, once it gains back the momentum, we might see a splendid rally at its first significant resistance at $40,587, bringing the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement of $41,592 into play. The current price of the token is $38,643 is minor support. However, if the token flips into a breakout, it would surpass its high at $40,500. Any breakout from this level would mark the token's next resistance at 42,000 before any pullback. If Bitcoin falls from this level, its second significant support will sit at $37,810. Let's look above the support and resistance levels. We see that the 50-day exponential moving average chart has been holding its ground against the 100 and the 200-day exponential moving average this morning. We believe that this consolidation level is healthy, and buying the dip would be profitable because, firstly, Bitcoin cannot fall overnight. Several coins were made only to push their value because if Bitcoin falls, the market will fall, precisely the way we had witnessed 2 weeks ago. And secondly, Bitcoin acts as a store of value. Because of its scarcity and extremely high value, this token, which holds the capacity to become the global reserve, will not fall. With the growing crypto adoptions in the mainstream and Tesla hinting at taking back Bitcoin as a payment mode, Bitcoin is likely to grow $100,000, and the market will act accordingly to push the token forward. Even though Amazon is not accepting Bitcoin now, it might not be a payment but a reserve value. Because Amazon is undoubtedly planning on doing things with crypto, and under CEO Andy Jassy's directive, this is certainly a possibility. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informational, please consider hitting that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the post notifications so that you are always aware of what's cooking. What are your views on Bitcoin? Do you think the token will hit the $100,000 mark this year? Let us know in the comments below.